Start ji. We are sorry that you could not use the stockings we sent you a few days ago. Full stop. Our stock of the exact shade you specified was exhausted, comma, so we sent instead a similar shade and style. Full stop. We had no doubt that you could use them, comma, but we should not have shipped them without first writing to you. Full stop. If you wish, they may be sent back to us and we shall cancel the charge. Full stop. Para. Start. We have issued a booklet which gives details of the new automatic toaster we have just put on the market. Full stop. You can secure a copy of this booklet as well as our latest catalog by writing for them. Full stop. We make absolutely no charge. Full stop. I have submitted an estimate for doing the job, but they have not yet notified me that they will accept my bid. Full stop. This item is listed in the catalog at 4 guineas, full stop. If you remit in 5 days, you can deduct 2%, full stop, close.